Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Ian Baker, and today we're diving into something every RVer needs to know, which is how to start and operate your RV's water heater. Whether you've got an electric, propane, or tankless unit, I'm gonna break it down in a simple, easy to follow way so you can get hot water flowing in no time. All right, let's get started. First off, let's just talk about the different types of RV water heaters you might have in your rig, because there's going to be three main types. You'll have propane DSI, which stands for direct spark ignition, propane and electric DSI, and a tankless or on-demand system. Your water heater, again, will most likely fall into one of these three categories, and knowing which one you have is going to be key to operating it correctly. If you're not sure, the best way to find out is to check the model number on the unit itself or contact your RV's manufacturer. And as always, your owner's manual is your best friend when it comes to troubleshooting and proper operation. Now let's talk about actually getting your water heater up and running. Luckily, modern RV water heaters are designed to be pretty user-friendly. In fact, most of the time, it's as simple as just flipping a switch. Depending on your setup, you might have one or two switches inside your RV, or you might need to check outside behind the water heater cover. If you're having trouble finding yours, grab that owner's manual, it'll tell you exactly where to look. If you've got a propane-only direct spark ignition, again, DSI water heater, here's how you get it going. First, you want to look for a switch marked LP gas or water heater. That's your main control, and you'll generally find it either in the kitchen or the bathroom. When you turn that switch on, it sends a signal to supply power to the electric spark and opens a valve in the propane supply to light the burner. Once it's running, the thermostat takes over and keeps the water at the set temperature, cycling on and off as needed. And that's really all there is to it. Now, if you've got a dual gas electric model, things work pretty much the same way, but with a little extra flexibility. Inside your RV, you'll see two switches, one for propane and one for electric. Now you can run these separately or together, and using both will heat the water faster than just one method alone. If you're using the propane side, you'll need 12-volt DC power to run the control board. If you're using the electric side, you'll need both 12-volt DC power and 120-volt AC power. That means you'll have to be plugged into shore power, running an onboard generator, or using a portable generator. The nice thing about electric mode is that it helps save propane for other appliances, but if you're boondocking, propane mode is your go-to for hot water. Next up, let's talk about tankless water heaters. Now, these are a bit different from traditional models because they heat water on demand rather than storing it in a tank. Inside your RV, you'll find the control to be able to turn the water heater on or off. Once you turn it on, you're all set. The burner won't actually kick in though until you open a hot water faucet, and when you do, water flows through a coil heated by a propane burner, giving you the instant hot water. When you shut the faucet off, the burner shuts off too, making these systems super efficient. Just keep in mind, unlimited hot water still depends on your freshwater and gray tank capacities when you're camping off grid. Now, if your RV water heater doesn't fall into one of the main three categories above, like let's say you have a manual pilot ignition water heater or the Truma Combi system, then what you want to do is check out the link in the description where we actually have an article describing how to start those more niche systems. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more RV tips and tricks, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Have any questions or tips of your own? Be sure to drop them in the comments. Personally, I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy camping.